Yes, we have indeed made much progress now. I've even put the curtains back up. I didn't want to have them up while I was working on the cabinet because I didn't want to splash paint on them, but, ha 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 ha, here, it's not finished, but it's finished enough. I could put it back together and start moving my art supplies back in here. Yes. And this time, I put the cupboard in the middle of that section of wall in order to avoid the infamous dark corner of death that I had last time. You know, since the cabinet was right up against the end of the tile, that became a little dark corner that was hard to get to clean, and it was just yucky. Yep. And here we are still doing things to protect the floor. We suffered so much to get this floor. And of course I've got this big cardboard down until I'm totally finished painting because, as you can see over here, yeah, we get a bit more, I at least got a bit more to do, but I can lay the things down on the cardboard, paint them, and this will also make it a lot easier when I need to get over here and plug things in or take out the plugs. So I'm very happy. Now I'm gonna see here I have tried with the Inca Gold on top of the khaki chalk paint. And then here I have, what is this called? Okay, I picked up the bottle. Simplest thing to do, it's the Authentico Baroque Bronze. So, and there's a kitty fussing. The idea with the Baroque Bronze what I was originally going to use, but I think I like the Aztec, or the Inca Gold better. Here, you can see the little fuzzy person who clearly was not happy with me. She's having some of her dinner now, so at least she's not going meow. Although I'm sure it'll start up again soon. So that's it for now. Bye.